everybody? Welcome back to the channel. And guys, today I've got a little something different. Actually, something that I've been thinking about for quite a while. You can't see anything driving the FOXBODY at night. Now, here's the thing. I know that FOXBODYs have their shortcomings in many different ways, and lighting is one of those things. The second part of this story is I get emails almost daily from different Chinese companies wanting me to try this and try that. They've got some kind of crazy stuff they want me to show off on my YouTube channel that they supposedly watch. So typically I ignore emails like that. They end up in my spam box and I never see them. But I did get one from this company, Lasfit. And I was reading the email and it said they were out of California, had a California address. And they had a link to another YouTuber that did a video on them and seemed to really dig it. I checked the video out. They seem legit. And I was like, you know what? Send them to me because I don't even want to drive my car at night, especially with all the deer, because the lights are so dim. So, you know what? This could work. Let's give it a shot. All right, guys. So this really isn't, I guess you could consider it a sponsored video. But I said, okay, yeah, I'll do an honest review on your products. So here they are. I'll have a link below if you want to check it out. They sent me the link. I like the boxing. Pretty nice. Obviously quality. Here are the bulbs. Pretty wild looking. They got extenders, it looks like, on the plugs. So, I don't know. You get free 30-day return. Looks like there's a year warranty on these bulbs, which is good. I mean, obviously you want something that you can stand behind, and that's a lot of the reason I don't fool with all these Chinese people that email me. Not that I've got anything against Chinese people, but these Chinese companies, I cannot vouch for their quality. I cannot, what if you've got an issue? I'm just not fooling with that. But these, I'm super actually excited to try these out so that I'm not like terrified to drive my car at night because FOXBODY lights suck. Let's see if that fixes it. All right, guys, so before we go any farther, the first thing I got to do is I got to give you a before. So, shut this door. Get it as dark as possible. Then we got to turn the lights off. We'll see just how not bright these OE lights are. All right, guys, so as you can not see, got as dark as possible in here. So let's turn the lights on. Whoa. Yeah. There they are. There's the stock lights. See, I've got this stupid marker light. Watch this. Oh, there it is. Yeah. For some reason, I don't know. Who cares? But there's the stock lights, and ain't much there. So, hold on. Let me snap a picture of this. And all right, now let's swap these. All right, guys, obviously installing headlight bulbs is pretty straightforward. If you've never done them before, there they are. Like, seriously, there's nothing to them. They do say when you put the bulbs in, you're supposed to put them a certain way. They call them chips, but these chips the little yellow things, the LEDs. They say the top one's supposed to be the forwardest most. So that's how we're going to do it. But now, let's put these things in and see what's up. Alright guys, so got the old bulbs out, and here bees the new ones. Looks a little tight, but like I said, that top chip, they call it a chip, but the top LED needs to be more forward according to the instructions. So let's see if we can slip it in there. Per the instructions, it said one of the first things you need to do is just test them, make sure the bulbs are good, which everything is in nice and tight. Like I showed you earlier, they've got these extensions. I'm not 100% sure why, but whatever, it works. So let's turn the lights on here real quick. Make sure we got light. Oh, wow. You can tell already. Okay, yeah, so we got light. Okay, so let's button this up. See what we got. Nice and dark in here again. Let's see the difference. And go. Wow. That's pretty freaking impressive. Obviously, I got a little stream of light coming in. I can't really do much about it at the moment. But that's pretty amazing. I'm going to, hold on, let me get a picture of this because I want to make sure you can see these. And it's a pretty good difference. Let's give you a walk around here. They look phenomenal. It's kind of like a crystalish, bluish white. But yeah, not only do they need to be adjusted, but as far as these bulbs go, that's pretty impressive. I like it. Alright guys, so the lights are in, and actually got the collars on there. You had to take the little white plastic piece off the front. Dover saves the day again. He actually just installed these on his truck. So, but yeah, they are secure. They are in. They're looking good. Loving it. Let's turn it on one more time. Even in the light, you can tell how freaking bright these things are. Man, that's a huge difference. Can you go turn by that? No, we already got it. But yeah, and here's the brights. So that's pretty freaking awesome. We might actually be able to see. Say it ain't so. Alright guys, so fast forward a little bit. This is the way home. Absolutely zero lights, street lights out here. And wow, what a friggin' difference. What a difference. You can see, like, this reminds me of my 2016 GT. You can actually see stuff with the lights on. So, I gotta give them 2 thumbs up. That's amazing. Alright guys, so I gotta say, yeah, I'm actually pretty stoked about the lights. Again, this is the company right here. I'm gonna have a link down below. They gave me a link to these exact lights if you want to put them in your car. Again, huge thanks to Lasfit. I like the lights. I don't know how long they're going to last. They've got a year warranty, so we'll see. And no more this car gets driven, they'll probably last me forever. But again, there they are. They're in. They look phenomenal, and might be able to see you on the way home. That would be awesome, yeah? So, all right. If you like this video, as exciting as it was installing headlights, please give me a big thumbs up. Make sure you smash that subscribe button, and the shop's about ready to rock. Yeah? We're about ready to get back to work in the shop, so better stay tuned. It's about to get real.